Franchising your business in New York State is a lucrative expansion strategy. It requires legal expertise, financial planning, and smart marketing.
Welcome to Business Matters, a presentation of the Chamber Coalition, which comprises the New American Chamber of Commerce, the African American International Chamber of Commerce, and the Hispanic American International Chamber of Commerce. To become a chamber member, be a guest, or register for our events, go to www.nacc.nyc. That's www.nacc.nyc, or call us at 718-722-9217. That's 718-722-9217.
How to franchise a business in New York State. A step-by-step guide. Expanding a business through franchising is a great way to grow a successful brand while minimizing financial risk. Franchising allows you to replicate your business model and generate revenue from franchise fees and royalties while empowering independent entrepreneurs to operate under your brand name. However, franchising a business in New York State, NYS, requires strict legal compliance, financial planning, and strategic marketing. To ensure your franchise is legally protected, compliant with state regulations, and positioned for success, you should hire the business attorneys at Fitzgerald and Associates. Their team specializes in franchise law, business expansion, and marketing guidance. Contact them at askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845 for expert assistance. Below is a step-by-step guide to franchising your business in New York State, NYS. Step 1. Evaluate if your business is ready to franchise. Not every business is suited for franchising. Before expanding, conduct an internal assessment to determine if your business model can be replicated successfully. Key questions to consider. Is your business profitable? A strong revenue history makes your franchise attractive to investors. Can it be replicated? Your business should have a well-documented, scalable system that franchisees can follow. Is there market demand? Research if there is demand for your business model in different regions of NYS. Do you have strong branding? A recognizable name, logo, and marketing strategy will help franchise success. Are you ready for legal and compliance responsibilities? NYS has strict franchise laws that require professional legal guidance. Not sure if your business is ready? Consult Fitzgerald and Associates at 855-768-8845 for expert legal and business analysis. Step 2. Develop a franchise business model. Once you've determined that your business is franchise ready, the next step is to design a franchise system that can be easily duplicated. Key elements of a franchise model: franchise fees and royalties. How much will you charge for the initial franchise fee? What percentage of ongoing royalties will franchisees pay? Territorial rights. Will franchisees have exclusive territories? How will you prevent franchise locations from competing with one another? Support and training. How will you train franchisees on operations, customer service, and marketing? Will you provide ongoing support, site selection assistance, and supply chain access? Marketing requirements. Will franchisees contribute to a national marketing fund? What branding, logos, and advertising guidelines must they follow? Operational guidelines. Develop a franchise operations manual detailing daily business operations, policies, and procedures. Step 3. Create the franchise disclosure document, FDD. What is an FDD? A franchise disclosure document, FDD, is a legal requirement under NYS franchise law. It provides potential franchisees with essential information about your franchise. What should the FDD include? Company history and background, investment costs and franchise fees, legal obligations of the franchisor and franchisee, territorial restrictions and exclusivity agreements, earnings potential and financial disclosures, franchise termination policies. FDD compliance is complex. Hire Fitzgerald and Associates at 855-768-8845 to draft a legally sound franchise disclosure document. Step 4. Register your franchise in New York State. New York is a registration state, meaning you must register your franchise with the New York State Department of Law before offering it for sale. Franchise registration process in NYS. File a franchise disclosure document, FDD, with the NYS Attorney General's office. Pay the franchise registration fee, approximately $750 $1,000. Submit financial statements demonstrating business solvency. Receive NYS approval before selling franchises in the state. The process can be legally complex. Work with Figeroux and Associates to ensure fast and successful franchise registration. Step 5. Protect your intellectual property and trademarks. Your franchise success depends on strong branding and intellectual property protection. Steps to protect your brand. Register your trademark with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO, to prevent others from using your name and logo. Secure domain names and social media handles to maintain brand consistency. Create legal contracts to protect trade secrets and proprietary business methods. Need help securing trademarks and intellectual property? Contact Figeroux and Associates at 855-768-8845. Step 6. Market your franchise to potential franchisees. Once your franchise is legally registered, it's time to attract franchisees who want to invest in your business. Franchise marketing strategies. Develop a franchise sales website. Showcase franchise benefits, success stories, and facts. Leverage social media and online ads. Use LinkedIn, Facebook, and Google Ads to reach potential franchisees. Attend franchise expos and business events. Network with aspiring business owners in NYS. Offer incentives for early franchisees. Provide discounted fees or extra training support to attract first franchisees. For expert franchise marketing strategies, consult Figeroux and Associates at 855-768-8845. Step 7. Provide ongoing training and support. What franchisees need to succeed. Initial training program. Teach franchisees how to run the business successfully. Marketing and branding assistance. Offer advertising templates and social media support. Operational support. Provide inventory management, hiring guides, and technology training. Regular quality control checks. Conduct site visits to maintain brand standards. Step 8. Expand and scale your franchise. As your franchise network grows, focus on expanding strategically. Growth strategies. Master franchising. Allow franchisees to open multiple locations in large territories. International expansion. Once successful in NYS, expand into other states or countries. Corporate-owned locations. Open company-run stores alongside franchises to maintain brand integrity. Lucrative expansion strategy. Franchising your business in New York State is a lucrative expansion strategy, but it requires legal expertise, financial planning, and smart marketing. By following this step-by-step guide, you can successfully grow your brand through franchising. To ensure compliance with NYS franchise laws, protect your intellectual property, and develop a winning franchise marketing strategy, hire the business attorneys at Figeroux and Associates. Call 855-768-8845 or visit askthelawyer.us today to start franchising your business.
Are you ready to start or grow your business, but don't know where to begin? Small Business Solutions, a division of the law firm of Figeroux and Associates, is here to help. From business formation and financing to marketing, certifications, legal, and tax advice, we provide comprehensive support to entrepreneurs like you. The path to business success starts with the right guidance. Let Small Business Solutions be your partner in navigating the challenges of business ownership. Avoid costly mistakes, secure funding, and build a strong legal foundation for your business. Schedule your consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or visit us at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, Brooklyn, New York. That's www.askthelawyer.us. Your business success starts here. Small Business Solutions, helping entrepreneurs succeed.